Welcome back to Anthem's HVAC and Plumbing channel. Today we've got a topic that's often debated. Is duct cleaning necessary for ideal indoor air quality? Stick around to find out. Before we dive into the world of duct cleaning, let's talk about why indoor air quality matters. Poor air quality can lead to health issues, and a well-maintained HVAC system plays a crucial role in ensuring clean and breathable air in your home. Now, the big question, do you really need duct cleaning? Well, the answer isn't always a simple yes or no. Duct cleaning can be beneficial in certain situations, like reducing allergens and improving airflow, but it may not be necessary for everyone. Let's break it down. Here are a few signs that might indicate it's time for a duct cleaning. Visible mold growth in the ducts, unexplained spikes in your energy bills, dust buildup around vents, allergy or respiratory issues in your household. Now, if you find yourself nodding along to any of these signs, it's time to consider Anthem for all your HVAC needs. We're not just here to clean your ducts. We're your go-to experts for maintaining a healthy and efficient HVAC system. At Anthem, we pride ourselves on delivering top-notch service. And guess what? We've got something special for you.
The more insulation you have, the more healthy your home's going to be, the less energy it's going to be, and the more comfortable your house is going to be. But how do you find out if your insulation needs to be updated? Well, we have a solution, giving you the information you need to make a good, sound decision. Click below or call us at Anthem Air Conditioning, and we'll take care of your air conditioning and insulation needs.
Anthem's Comfort Club. Just $14.95 a month. You get exclusive perks like biannual maintenance visits, discounts on repairs, duct cleanings, reduced service fees, priority scheduling, priority service on hot days, extended equipment lifespan, enhanced energy efficiency, and more. So, if you want to experience year-round comfort without breaking the bank, join Anthem's Comfort Club today. Call us or visit our website to sign up and schedule your estimate. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more HVAC tips and tricks. Stay comfortable, and we'll catch you in the next one.